Okay guys, so I just bought this for my Mazda 3. It's a mirror road cam. I'm gonna see how well it works. First I'm gonna open up the package and show you what the contents are, and then I'm going to review it as I install it. Alright guys, so I fully opened up my box. Here's what we got. Here's the first item. This is the mirror, which is going to be placed here, and that little cube you take off, and there's a screen glass protector, and here's the bracket, and here's the camera. So that's the camera and the mirror at the same time. Also included, these are the installation units for the camera, for the back, that goes in the back brackets. And this right here is the power outlet that you connect into. And one more thing is the instructions. So user manual. So now I'm gonna get it all installed and I'll tell you how it works. Also included is, now I just gotta make sure what's included is, where does the memory slot go into, just in case you need the memory slot. Memory slot right over here, it's included there too, and USB there. So now guys, it is time to get this thing installed. Okay guys, so as you can see here, I got it installed like this, and it's strapped on pretty good. It's not going anywhere, but look how well I could actually move around this thing, this mirror now. And this mirror is actually better than the Mazda mirror. Look how wide it is from the angle, basically just wide. So yeah, all right, we're gonna do one more task. It's taking off this protector film. Perfect, отлично. And then I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna do next. All right guys, the very funny thing is I was about to return this dash cam because crazy, everything was upside down and everything was in reverse. I thought it was not English but a different language, but it is English. All I had to do was power it off and on, and now we can begin recording by pressing the on button. I have it set in the loop recording and the audio on, and the camera right here, over here, is adjustable. I'm adjusting it so as I drive, I will see how much I gotta adjust. But so far, I think this right here is perfect. I'll have to see it, let you guys know how it records as I'm driving. But for now, I like this, and the fact that the mirror is bigger is I like it. So I did have to move my radar detector all the way there, but that's for the good of it. So, all right, time to give it a road test. Okay guys, so as you can see, I'm driving along now, and this thing is working pretty good. The last final step is to see how well it actually saves in audio, but so far, I like how it's been recording. I can even maybe do a few YouTube driving clips out of this. See where they go and stuff. But yeah, I might change the settings to a 1-minute loop instead of 5-minute loop, because then it can save a lot better. But as you can see, it's working pretty well, and I'm enjoying the new mirror because it's a lot better than the Mazda mirror. You can see a lot more in the back, and yeah, very good. Well, I'm gonna see how well this product will last, but I think a dash cam these days is a good investment. So all right, once I finish the driving destination, I'll see how well it's saved. Okay guys, I'm going to hit the OK button, and now I'm going to go see how well I record the setting. Let's see here. Nope, that's not the one. We're going to, there you go. Let's see here. For 5 minutes we got something. We're pressing OK. Gonna view it. Press play. It's working pretty good, but I'm just gonna go. Okay, we could delete it there. Locked. Okay, I'm gonna go back, and I want to see myself actually driving. Let's see what this does right here. Press OK. Look at that, it works pretty well, and you can save it, and then they auto delete. it's a loop recorder, so they auto delete, guys. You see that right there? So yeah, guys, so far this is a good buy. I would give it 3 out of 5 stars just because it was upside down and weird stuff with it. But definitely subscribe to my channel. I'll see you next time. Not cancel. Guys, I'm Eddie B. 2004 turn right. This particular package, driving attempt on the 6 Series.